Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super cool Windows feature called GodMode. If you've ever wanted to have all your system settings and controls in one place, this is the video for you. Let's get started. First up, we need to create a special folder on your desktop. Right-click anywhere on your desktop, go to New, and select Folder. Now, here's the magic part. Rename this new folder with this exact name. Make sure to copy it exactly, capital letters and all. Once you hit enter, you'll see the folder icon change to the control panel icon. That means you've just activated GodMode. Open up your new GodMode folder, and you'll see a ton of options and settings neatly organized into categories. You've got everything from system settings to administrative tools, all in one place. This is great for power users who want quick access to all their settings. Just be careful, make sure you know what you're changing, as fiddling with the wrong settings can affect your system's performance. If the folder doesn't change to the GodMode icon or doesn't work as expected, double-check the name you used. It has to be exact, or it won't work. And that's it. GodMode is now set up on your PC, giving you all the control you could ever need. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.